Annyeong jellyfish, how are you today? I really hope that you are doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change folder icon like this. Enjoy the video! First thing first, what you need to do is making a folder. Jadi yang pertama kali kalian harus lakuin itu adalah bikin folder dengan klik kanan, terus new folder gitu seperti biasa. Aku bikin 3 folder di sini seperti ini ya. Next thing is open Safari, then Canva because Canva is already here. Create design. Nah di sini customize size 70 x 70, 70 x 70 the resolution, and create new design. Okay, next thing is click elements. And then look for something. I'm looking for a cactus because I'm a cactus addict and a cactus enthusiast. I choose this one because it looks cute for me, and then I resize it. Okay, and then click download PNG. Don't forget to make it as transparent background. Okay, the picture is already on your desktop, and then click the folder that you're going to change the icon. Secondary click, get info, until it shows up like this. Click Command A, Command C, and Command V, and then paste onto the folder. Make sure that you click the folder icon and pass on it. And tada! It changed! Do the same thing for the rest folders. The example, I'm looking for cat because I love cat as well. I bump into a pinky cat. She looks really gorgeous. Add page, and then paste on it, resize it, and you may change the color by clicking it, for example like this. If you want to change pink or what color you like, you may change it, but I like the pastel pink. Click download, set as transparent background, don't forget, and only page 2 because page 1 is already downloaded. Preparing your design, and it's already on your desktop. Do the same thing like the first one. Click on the icon, secondary click, get info, Command A, Command V, Command A, Command C, and Command V. Don't forget Command A, Command C, and then Command V. Make sure the folder is clicked like this. Ta-da! It's already changed into a pretty cat. Dan aku lupa kenapa dari tadi tuh pakai bahasa Inggris. Ini pertama pencet elemen, terus cari gambar yang kalian suka. Di sini yang ketiga aku flower. As you can see, there are bunch of flowers here. Banyak sekali bunga-bunganya di sini. Kalian bisa suka sesuai yang kalian inginkan. Di sini aku mau coba sunflower because I love sunflower as well. Aku juga suka sunflower and I'm still looking for the best that catch my eye. I'm still looking for it. I guess this one is cute. Add page. Then paste here. But there are some suggestions. I chose the second one. I resize it like this. Remember, you can change the color if you like. Click download, transparent background. Don't forget only page 3. Okay, download. Preparing your design. It's already on your desktop like this. Don't forget to click the icon folder that you are going to change. Get info. Command A, Command C, Command V. Make sure the folder that you're going to change, you have clicked it like this, and Command V. Okay, ta-da! I'm going to zoom it in like this. As you can see, it's very cute. And I really hope that this tutorial helps you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.